Hello, everybody. Hello, kids. How are you doing? Good morning. Okay, I'm glad to be here with you one more day. Okay, and as I always say, hope to see you very soon. Okay. All right, we're gonna continue with Unit 9. All right. Now look, we are on page 68, and we're gonna do 69 too. All right, and we're gonna start with the phonics. Okay. Monty's Phonics. All right. Well, look, here we got 7 sheep shop. Okay. Now listen. We do 7 7 sh, 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 sheep sh, 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 shop sh, shop. Okay. All right. You see the difference between an S and SH? And look what it says here. 7, 7, 7, sheep, sheep are sleeping, sleeping, sleeping in a shop, 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 shop. Okay? Well, very simple, isn't it? Now, we're going to do this here. Okay, let's see what they're saying. We're going to listen to the story. I love to tell stories. You know how I love them. Okay, I'm going to tell you this story. Let's see how it sounds. Okay. All right. Now it says, Monty, are you wearing my long white jacket and my glasses? Monty says, Yes, I am. I'm Mary Mouse. Trevor, what are you wearing? I'm wearing blue trousers, a blue shirt, a blue hat, and a black mask. Who am I? And this one here, Trevor says, I can swim, I can fly, but I can't sing or dance. I'm Max Stroll. Monty says, Look at Maskman. Maskman, are you eating a pencil? Yes, I am. Who am I? Monty says, You're Trollman. That's right. I can't swim and I can't spell. Trevor says, No, you can't, Trollman, but you got a lot of friends. Wow, nice story, okay? Lovely. Okay, now we're gonna go. This is only two sounds, okay? Marie's math, and we got here things that are made out of wool. Of course, a sheep, which provides the wool, okay? With this part here, okay, we can make lots of different things. For example, a rug or a mat or a hat made out of wool, a jacket, or even socks. Okay, these are made out of cotton. All right, it's different. Okay, cotton is a flower. Okay, it's a plant. We get cotton from there. Okay, so this part here, all this clothes, we wear it. Okay, we wear. Okay, well, I just wanted to tell you about this. You can read this comic at home. Things you should never do, like playing on the street. Okay, Here they tell you do not walk on the grass. And she didn't read it on time, and I guess she stepped on it. But her friend just tell her, stop, don't walk on the grass. Look, okay. And when you cross the street, you have to be very, very careful. Thanks to her friend, stop, don't cross. The man on the light is red. Ooh, thank you. And never, never throw rubbish or trash in the street or anywhere. Where do you have to throw it at? In the bin. All right? Well, very, very simple. Okay, now we're going to go to the activity book. Okay, and this is what I'm going to send you, as always, for you to do. Let's go right here. Next one. Okay, let's go. We are on page 64, 65. Okay, it says looking right. Very simple. You see his face? Well, we're going to follow his face. I mean, we see his face here. We're going to follow the line. Sorry. And well, what do we find here? We got a watch, a hat, and a laser. Okay, so I've got a watch, a hat, and a laser. You see it? We follow the line, and that's what they wrote down here. We're going to do exactly the same thing over here. We're going to get this girl, remember, skateboard. Then we have a dress, and we have a bird. Okay, so we're going to write it down here. Okay, now on this page over here, okay, so look at the picture, look at the letters, write the words. These words are misplaced. These same words, okay, we got to put them in the right spot over here. Okay, these letters, these letters, we have to put them in the right spot and make a word. T-shirt. We got a picture here, and you see we got a T and H and I S R T dash. Okay, so let's put them in the right spot. Same thing here, and all these ones here. Put them in the right place. This one here, we call them trousers. Okay, but in this case, I see here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters with a J. Could be jeans? I don't know. Guess. Let's see. And these ones are not very long. They're short. How about if we put an S at the end? How will it sound? These other ones we know. Okay. And this one here, just in case you're a little bit lost. Remember, you have a hand and there's a... Now, if we put everything together, what kind of word will we make? Okay, very simple. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go through, and I'm going to send this to you. Okay, we're going to go through the answer from the worksheet that I sent. Okay, here we're supposed to have a dress. Okay, nice and beautiful. Now here this is follow the clothes. Okay, words. Follow the clothes, words, and write. Okay, so let's see. If you follow this, we got the key here, which is going to tell us the answers. We got clothes, 13. So we put 13 over here. You want to put all the clothes and write it down? Go ahead. The more you write, the better. Now here, write the animals' words. Well, here's the animals. A cow, frog, goat, lizard, sheep, spider. If you have all this done, perfect. And here it says write the food words. Okay, food, bread, burger, cake, carrots, ice cream, meat. Very simple, huh? Perfect. Now here, in this other one, okay, we're supposed to find the words, the letters. Okay? Here down here, down below, you can see the answer. I'm wearing blue jeans, a yellow shirt, gray socks, black shoes, and a new red hat. Okay, I hope you have them in the right place. And the last one, well, the last one, actually, you have to write down what you're wearing. Okay, so right here, we cannot, I cannot give you an answer because you have to put the answer. It's whatever you're wearing that day. Okay, well, with this, I hope you, I hope I help you. Okay, and it's very, very simple. Okay, well, kids, see you next week. I hope you have a nice week and nice weekend. Okay, and we will see each other next Tuesday. All right, lots of kisses, lots of hugs, and hope to see you soon. Remember, stay home, help mom and dad, and be good. Have fun. Bye bye. See you later.